This is the first Humvee that the military has considered. Not that one, that one. This is the first Humvee prototype. This didn't win the government contract, I think for obvious reasons, such as a soft top, chrome mirrors that are not good for military purposes, the color. But this one here did win. That's the General Dynamics version that did win the contract with the government in the early 1980s. So let's look at this prototype Humvee, the very first official Humvee. This is serial number 1, just a prototype. There are only 3 or 4 ever made. This one is in Nebraska. That's where I'm at now. It's good, but this one is much better. Also, the lower profile of the winner has some advantages of stability. I'd like to have that thing, but I'm not going to get it. I think this one has about 7 hours on it total. So this is in the Heartland Museum in Nebraska, kind of in the middle of Nebraska, which is kind of in the middle of the country. Let's go look at the interior. Yeah, chrome is a no-go. It's hard to see. The window doesn't seem very strong. Just some standard tempered glass. Yeah, so now you can see why the Humvee was the winner out of the choices they had at that time. In the museum, you can also climb inside of a Bradley tank if you're small enough. Surprisingly to me, this massive tank is very tight inside. Very difficult to get in there. When I was in the Army, we did not have Jeeps. They were just starting to get the Humvees, but I did not get one. I was kind of mad about that a lot of other people got Humvee, but my unit, or my squadron or whatever, did not get a Humvee, but rather more like this. This is not the one. So what I had was in between this and what we just looked at. My truck was a Chevy diesel, which was pretty cool, and I don't see those anymore. I don't know where I can access one, but out of this whole museum, the truck I had from the late 1980s is not in here. And like I said, it was between that, as far as the age, and the Humvee, which they don't have one in this museum. Strange. Yeah, I've never driven a Jeep. I want to buy one, but I just don't want to deal with the maintenance. I was looking for the VIN to see if I can actually find serial number 1, but I can't find it. But you can possibly use that QR code to look it up. The actual Humvee that was contracted also doesn't have the VIN available there at the front windshield. I'm not allowed to open and close these doors, so I can't check there in the door sill. What's interesting is, although this one is a lot taller, the ground clearance of this one seems higher than that one. Yeah, it is, at least in the front. So this one's way better. Oh, this would be so cool to have one of these. But like I say, especially in Florida, it's just going to turn to rust until I get my garage built, my second garage.